Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio and today we are going to review the account of Nikolov. Nikolov joined our funded trader program last November on the 9th and he hit his first 10% target on the 6th of January. So very good, very well done Nikolov. Congratulations on your first 10% achieved. Let's have a look at the equity line to see how the journey with us has been so far. So we can see how he went almost straight away up on his account. He was up just 10 days before, or just 10 days after he joined our program. He was up by almost 4% on his account, But then we can see how something happened in the beginning of December and he went just down on back on the initial account balance. But from there onwards, we can see here in just a few days, he was again up by 5% on his account. He held this result for a while until when he hit the 10% target on the 6th of January. Okay, let's have a look at the statistics. So an average daily return of 0.16%, an average monthly return of 4.91%, which is good, and an a floating drawdown of 4.60%. And I believe this is actually what happened here from December the 1st to December the 4th. Okay, let's also have a look at the advanced statistics. 332 position opened with a profitability rate of 86%, which is a very, very good and high profitability rate. Very well done. Let's have a look at average win and average loss. We can see an average win of 7.89 pips, so with an average loss of 38 pips, which is much higher. But since Nikolov have this amazing winning rate, he managed to be profitable over time. Very good. So let's have a look at his best trade and his worst trade. First of all, we can see how his worst trade, both in terms of dollars and pips, are on the same day, December the 4th, which is what exactly we noticed also on his equity line. Let's have a look. So on this day, he lost 192 pips, resulting in a loss of $297. Okay, so yeah, that was the date. Regarding his best trade, we can see how on November the 23rd, he gained $280, very good. And on December the 28th, he gained 57 trades, almost 57, almost 58 pips. Okay, very good. Let's have a look at the summary as well, so we can see where he focused the most. Okay, definitely a lot of position, 99 position open on the euro dollar. Although he gained on this pair only $65. The most profitable for him was the pound dollar. With 71 trades, he gained 103 pips, resulting in a profit of $475. But I made a mistake actually, because actually the most profitable pair for him was this one, the pound yen. He took 78 trades on this pair. He gained 239 pips, resulting in $675. Okay, very good, very well done. We see here a lot of green, which is always something that we like to see, and of course when we see it we also like to mention that. Let's have a look at history. So let's go back to the first page when he joined our program. It was on the 9th of November. He was keeping his lot size low in the beginning. He was allowed to trade at 0.5 maximum, and it was trading actually at 0.1. Let's have a look. We started to increase that a bit. We start to see some 0.2 position opened. Let's go. Not still being 0.10 mostly. Okay. Let's go back to first page, and there we go. Here is when he hit his target January, and he is now trading a $30,000 account with us. Okay, let's also have a look at the duration for him. So we can see an average trade length of 7 hours and 29 minutes. Let's have a look at the scatter plot. So majority of the position held for less than 11 hours, few of them held for longer, around 1 day, and 23, 24 hours, and just few positions held for longer, no more than roughly 2 days, we can see. Unfortunately, all the negative position, but we mentioned already is amazing winning ratio, so that way it managed to be profitable over time. Okay, Nikolov, very well done. Congratulations again. And also for you, I look forward to do the second review of your account.